My mother used to have a saying for anytime I ask her if we go to like party or anything like that. My mother usually say, I know every pan knock, you have to go there. So obviously, as soon as I move from ankle go a shoulder height and I start fending for myself, i.e. college, as I can't drop me today. But with exploration comes lessons, and I guess this is when I listen to me, I have to learn the hard way. Judge. Sub. College cafeteria. You see, college cafeteria food come like bun. Nobody no really want it, but sometimes you have to just harden your heart and take it.
I beg your pardon?
So me day in a cafeteria collect some food one day, and one of my classmates them link me. You want me know say you're a bad party I go on a UE, and he ask me say if I want forward.
What a stupid question that is. What a stupid question. But I watch you a lot, you ask a lot of stupid questions.
Yeah man, I mean if I forward. I forward brother. You see me? I just call it a little curry foul, I go on my last class and thing and then we link you. So now look more me make you know what I go on, you see me? So boom, mash down food clean, plate can tongue down. Go on my last class and drop asleep, 10 o'clock forward, car pull up a foot and thing. 3 hours bridging them then I car with the pan way I go you. Why with the pan way and thing when I bridging them make me know say yo, girl I go there foot and thing, so we know how that go already.
Bumbo.
But you make we know say we have to go reach then dam first and then you will we walk go a party and thing. No problem, you see me? So boom, reach a party, I'm not gonna lie. Party live, you see me? 3 estrogen there foot and everybody just there all a vibe, you see me? But even though I take up enough self and say, yo, yeah man, we ready to go a party and this and that. Me they have a little issue though, you see me? Contrary to your beliefs, at this point, me did broke, you see me? So the only thing I could have buy at the bar was a peanut and a Heineken.
Jaja!
So boom bang party done and thing and we start walk go back and me not gonna lie, me kinda feel elevated because at the party we did have whole heap of magical bush. You see me? So everybody I walk go back and think we have to like girl then go back and then damn. And I'm midway to the journey. It hit me.
Call it the curry foul and forward. Let me get one peanut. Let me get one Heineken too. Magical bush.
You know, the more me think about it, the more me realize say
Maybe this is not the right combination of shit for a nigga to be fucked up on, cause now I'm fucked up.
now as me come to the realization as to what kind of predicament me put myself in, me instantly have this urge for poop. Now, more than make couple videos like this before, so we kind of know, the route as to how this will go already. But let me tell you what go on. So me did a walk and thing, and while me I think about what really a transparent thing, this instant sensation of wanting to shit just give me one box. I mean, cool sweater wash me, I feel clench my body tighter than virgin when I feel no vibes. But me I try maintain my composure and continue conversation with the girl when me I look for a night and thing. But me not gonna lie, it hard for hold, you see me? We eventually reach a car and thing, and every man a boss is with woman and sitting and me not gonna lie, in my mind, me just can't focus on what really a transpire in front of me. You see me? So as me say, every man a boss is with woman and thing, and me not gonna lie, me I try give you them a signal say me want cut, but every man did their boss is, and I'm there like,
Help me! Help me! Nigga! Help me!
so after like 15 minutes of trying to have a conversation with the girl and trying to give the brother them a signal say me want cut and thing, me eventually just give up. You see me? I say, moms, we have a bathroom about the place here. You see me? Nonchalant. You see me? She make me know say, yeah man, bathroom up on the hall and things so. She carry me go up towards the security post. So I have to walk through the front gate and then me have to go to the bathroom and thing. Walk up to the front gate. Security go make me know say, yo, no man not supposed to come on the hall.
Nigga! Help me!
So me make you know say, yo, watch out now, watch out. More use the bathroom, you see me? So I don't know nothing really I go on and thing. So me know say, watch out now, one day on the ground floor, I'll give me a bus and thing, me I say, yes. Boom bang man, I look for the key card for pull the front gate and can't find it.
Blood clot, this not look good.
So me out there try to hold my composure, me tell say, cause with a wash me and me have to wait for the man to find the key card for pull the gate so me can walk come in and go use the bathroom. 10 minutes after I find it, she walk with me, carry me go to the bathroom and thing and say, yo, yeah man, I you this. Me say, alright, me so forward. Gone in the bathroom and thing, I'm not gonna lie. Me put my body on the seat, you see me don't know, my brain just never did work properly, you see me drop my body on the seat and thing and me hear somebody a knock on the door.
Boy, ain't no fucking way, boy. Boy, ain't no way, boy. Boy, ain't no way, boy.
And the girl out there, I ask me say, if me alright. I mean, me just sit down. Me say, yeah, I'm good. What happened? Cause I come make me know say me there in there for around 30 minutes. Best believe say, me going at the toilet, go sit down, and drop asleep, bridging. Me blood clot. So me have to go so bams now and wrap up me have a go on in this one sitting and then come out and think the girl actually stand up outside that bathroom and wait for me. If carry me go back through the front gate and sitting. More go back out there, everybody turn up I care and look for me. I wonder if me good and something. I couldn't even tell them to me in there shit and thing, but I an idea. Only one thing could I in there do so long. You see me? So boom, we go back out there and thing and everybody have conversation. I mean not gonna lie, shame or kill me and thing, you see me? Number start exchange and thing. I mean not gonna lie, I not even would take up my enough self and go ask mom to fear number in a cause. I an idea, I not think this is idea. This is not the right story if you tell us to how you meet somebody for your first time, virgin. No, so I not think so. So I just hold me one and go back in a car and thing. Obviously you then laugh off of me and thing, but that's part of life, yeah man. You see me? Just my luck. Moral of the story. I think a long time I do one of them. Consider what you eat before you go drink or something. And consider what you drink and what you eat at the same time when you go out. Because, certain things just don't go well together. There is no way you can go to one party. You not too long eat curry. Then you go drink Heineken and eat peanut. And expect a positive outcome. You're that dunce. You see me? So, learn from my mistake. You see me? Now make this reach you. Peace.